Do you get the idea? Do you get the idea ya? Jadi some bisa diikuti bentuk jamak, bisa diikuti uncountable noun yang refers to specific thing. Jadi uncountable noun itu bentuknya kalau jamak nggak berakhiran s, gitu kan? Jadi kalau ini ada there is, kemudian diikuti some, you need to decide di sini bukan bentuk jamak, gitu. Mana yang similar to arguments, yang bentuknya tidak jamak di sini. Mana yang similar to this form arguments? Arguments itu gimana sih? Ya, right ya. Kalau debate itu juga giving arguments ya. Ya, there is some debate over when the first cinematic performance. Without knowing the meaning ya. Ini in terms of formnya kayak gitu. Although what I found usually some itu biasanya diikuti bentuk jamak, tapi depannya nanti ngikut ya. There are some arguments. There are some gitu. Belakangnya jamak. But just in case you find this, karena kita sudah dapat dua teks yang menggunakan bentuk ini ya. There is diikuti atau some diikuti bentuk tunggal. Ini yang kemarin ada kan? Yang kemarin ada satu. Ini juga ada satu. Because we can use this. Oke. Jadi catatannya ini. There is bisa diikuti bentuk some yang diikuti dengan bentuk tunggal or refers to uncountable noun. Ya, nanti bisa di garis bawahi yang model-model seperti ini. Okay, when the first thematic performance, what was that? The answer? Sampai siapa tadi? Belinda ya. Belinda, what was the answer for number 2?
Took place.
Right, yeah. When the first cinematic performance took place, yeah, good. Took place in Britain. Ya, yeah. Oke. Okay. Jadi ini juga bentuk ya. When the first cinematic performance, kita butuh when, subject, verb. Ya kan? Ini sudah ada when, subjeknya the first cinematic performance. Subjeknya ini, we need to have verb untuk dipasangkan. Of course, ya ini juga harus position itu memang bisa dalam bentuk verb ya. But when we choose positioning, kurang apa nih? Can we say I watching TV? Or
no.
Are you swimming in the pool? Ya, yeah. Perlu to be. Ya, yeah, good. Ya. Yeah. Kalau location noun kita nggak ada ininya, nggak ada verbnya nanti. Okay. Bukan to action, ya to place. Ya, yeah. Great. Number 3. Atika, Novita.
I think the answer is exhibition.
Coba, can you please read out the full sentence?
Okay, from the most people refer to 1879 when the first projected moving photographs were shown to a paying audience in London. This was an exhibition organized by the British representative of Louis and Auguste Lumière from France.
Yeah, be careful. What year is it? Can you repeat in mentioning the year, Atika? What's the year once again?
1896.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I just heard 70 something. Yeah, jangan keliru ya. 1896. 1896 when the first projected moving photographs were shown to a paying audience in London. This was an exhibition, ada show, ya. Exhibition organized by the British representative of Louis and Auguste. I don't know how to pronounce this clearly. Yeah, from France. Good. Exhibition, yeah. Okay, great. Okay, 4. Rosita. Rosita? Yeah.
However, it is important to note that many other blah 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 blah.
However, it is important to note that many other, Rosita, number 5, many other
Inventors
good.
across Europe and the USA were almost ready to exhibit moving pictures too.
Yeah. So we can get the word also ya, kalau ini misalnya missing letters ada kata exhibit. Ya, to reverse to tadi kalau exhibition gitu. So referring back to what we have the missing letters kemarin, if you are stuck with one word, coba continue to answer yang selanjutnya, jangan fokus berhenti di situ. Perhaps you will find this keyword ya, keyword di bagian the rest of the paragraph. So don't get stuck in one word. Okay, so however. Okay, Diva, number 5, 6. So we do have inventors here. Yeah. The last number, Diva, number 6.
Number 6, this offers the customers the chance to try Thomas Edison coin in the slot machines for viewing animated photographs.
Okay, for viewing, good, yeah. To try Thomas Edison coin in the slot machines for viewing. So the persons, people will be able to see, yeah, to see the animated photographs, yeah, for viewing. Good. Okay, yeah. So hopefully you get more words to have in your dictionary for this. Yang sudah mencoba practice testnya, do you have any suggestions for those who have not taken the test? Or besok bisa kita coba dari situ ya. Misalnya having a good internet connections to run the test. Yeah, right? Ya, besok jadi bisa kita coba by having the 30 minutes, bisa kelihatan whether or not you need to have better signal untuk doing the test gitu. Ya, yang kemarin dari saran juga yang ada yang nggak having good internet connections itu harus mengulang ya, atau ada yang violence yang dilakukan oleh test takers, misalnya apa ya kemarin ada yang using add-ons ya, coba nanti perhaps I can share some of violences yang mungkin tidak sengaja dilakukan, and test takers are given 3 times kalau nggak salah untuk pengulangan, atau 2 kali, jadi sampai 3 kali tes itu to get to finish the test ya, kalau misalnya ada violence notice. Okay, so let's get into filling in the blanks. I guess you do have the thing already, right? Can you please help me to complete the answer here? Yeah, anyone, you can participate in answering the questions here for filling in the blank. Or do you need me to share the link once again? Yeah. Okay, this one is correct. All right. Right, just share the link in the chat box. You can click and participate to answer the questions here. Filling in the blank. Ya, sudah nih. Ya. Yeah, the second one, selecting the best sentence to fill in the blank. Ya. Jadi nanti you can kindly share to the class what strategies you can use to complete the blank. Yeah, so one paragraph, you have only one missing blank. Gitu. Do we need to read out all the parts of the text ya, mulai dari awal sampai akhir, perlu nggak sih dibaca? Iya. Ya, bisa aja. Yeah, right. And please have your name there. Yeah. So we have 4 passages, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Belinda, can you help me to read out the sentence for passage 1? Mungkin bisa
Ini.
satu previous sentence ya, one previous sentence dan one after sentence.
Almost one half of the world's coral reefs are in shallow seas near to the coastline of over 100 countries. Millions of people depend on this coral reef for their livelihood. The majority of natural products which come from coral reefs, such as fish, shells, and seaweed, can be sold either locally or in export markets. Not
Right.
only does the person who
Thank you. Okay, yeah, match ya. Almost one half of the world's coral reefs are in shallow seas near to the coastline of over 100 countries. So this is actually the text you have previously ya. Millions of people depend on, pas ya, millions of people masih fokusnya di coral reefs ya. Ini it has something to do with the exercise that you will get untuk writing nanti ya. Jadi to decide what sentence might come up ya to join the previous sentence gitu. Ada juga nanti bagian-bagian satu teks yang kalian diminta untuk exercise-nya ya, diminta untuk mana yang kalimatnya yang nggak nyambung gitu. Jadi di satu paragraf ada beberapa kalimat you need to decide mana sih yang nggak nyambung dengan apa yang dibicarakan atau topik di dalam paragraf ini. Millions of people depend on this coral reef for their livelihood. The majority of natural products and coral reefs ya semuanya nyambung, right? Okay, Bianca, passage 2.
Do I need to read the whole passage or?
No, just one previous sentence and one sentence after that.
Calls are normally simple notes, single or repeated, vocalized by males and females in all seasons to express alarm or maintain contact with mates, offspring, or other birds of the same species. All songs and most calls are distinctive. Furthermore, with concentrated study and practice, bird watchers can learn to identify many birds by their songs and to call them as well.
Thank you. Yeah, great. All songs and most calls are distinctive. Yeah. Furthermore, with concentrated study and practice, bird watchers can learn to identify many words by their song. Bird watchers, yeah. How do you translate bird watchers in Bahasa Indonesia? Do you have any word in Bahasa Indonesia to have this watchers? What do you think in Bahasa Indonesia, the word which is appropriate to put di sini? Familiar dengan pengamat ya, bisa ya, pengamat. Oke, pengamat Yeah, a little more specific. Okay. Right, Audrey, passage 3.
Okay, Miss. During the 1980s and 1990s, Branson set up business in areas such as transport, telecommunications, and tourism. As well as being businessman, Branson is also an adventurer.
Okay, one sentence after that, Audrey.
Okay. In the 1980s and 1990s, he broke several world records, especially with his hot air balloon. However, he didn't succeed in flying around the world in it.
Is the sentence that you have chosen is connected to the previous and the sentence after that? The following sentence?
I think yes, Miss.
Can you share how they are connected?
Because when it comes to the hot air balloon, it means that Branson is want to try anything. So Branson is an adventurer.
Exactly. Yeah. Jadi it has something to do with writing supporting sentences like that. Ya. Jadi harus menyesuaikan apa kalimat yang akan ditulis setelahnya. How you will connect the previous and the following sentence gitu. Jadi set up business ya in areas such as transport, telecommunications, and tourism, as well as besides being a businessman, Branson. Nah ini kan connecting apa? This part is connected to the previous sentence ya. Selain businessman, Branson is also an adventurer. Karena setelahnya the following sentence mentioned about hot air balloon, with his hot air balloon. However, masih ada kaitannya dengan itu. He did not succeed in flying around the world in it. That's the adventure. Jadi connect each word with, let's say, ini ada topic sentence and supporting sentences gitu ya. So by learning this, when I ask you to read out this ya, coba sekalian perhaps without you realize this ya, without realizing this, itu kalian bisa mendapatkan contoh untuk menulis ya topik dan supporting sentences, how to give examples, how to explain gitu, how to connect the sentence with the previous and the following sentence. Thank you, that's great. Yeah, number 4. Yumna, number 4.
Yes, Miss. But actually, I'm not very sure. I think the answer is between A or C, but I have A because there is investor. Ada keyword investor yang bikin aku lebih milih A gitu, Miss.
Coba read out the previous sentence dulu.
Okay. There is some debate over when the first cinematic performance took place in Britain. Most people refer to 1896 when the first projected moving photograph were shown.
Wait a second. Which one is the previous sentence, Yumna? So you have the answer here. So the previous sentence will be here. Yeah. Ini ya. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
One sentence. Yeah.
This offers the customer the chance to try Thomas Edison coin in the slot machines for viewing animated photographs. The Cinema Commission estimate annual weekly attendance at cinema before 1914 as 7 to 8 million. However, while film and projectors were the result of innovation, cinema as a social institution has evolved by change.
Okay, so you have this offers the customers. We have the keywords here. Yeah, this offers the customers the chance to try coin in slot machines for viewing animated photographs. The Cinema Commission estimated annual weekly attendances, perhaps ya, karena customers attendances gitu, at cinema before 1914 as 7 to 8 millions. Okay, so we need to be careful with this too, karena di sini ada year in 1894, yang kalimat yang sebelumnya. And in 1894, the first British kinetoscope was opened. Ya, ini was opened in ini. What if, ini agak weird kalau kita masukkan ini ada at cinema before 1914, ya enggak? What do you think? Karena memang customer sama attendance tadi bisa connected ya. What do you think? Karena kalau kita mulai dari sini juga, ini supporting sentence-nya ini. And in 1894, the first British kinetoscope was opened. This offers, this-nya kan refers to ini, the opening of this gitu, ya kan? This offers the customers the chance to try Thomas ini. This happened in 1894. Kalau kita pilih yang A, the Cinema Commission estimated annual weekly attendances at cinema before 1914 as 7 to 8 millions. What do you think?
It's kind of weird, Miss.
Yeah. So coba Yumna, if let's say we take C, coba read out this out loud. Most people.
Of cinema as a means of modern mass communication, which was invented at some time in the past.
We have more keywords to connect ya dengan previous and the following sentence. Ya enggak? Ada most people, tadi customers, ya kan? Customers, kemudian most people. Jadi most people ini refers to the customers itu. Most people think of cinema as a means of modern mass communication, which was invented at some time in the past. However, while film and projects were the result of invention, gitu, masih ada hubungannya ya, masih ada kaitannya lagi kata ini kalau kita kaitkan dengan kata yang sesudahnya gitu. Anyone disagree? Silakan. What do you think? Does this make sense? Jadi kalau yang C ini ada most people refers to the customers, terus ada kata invented at some time in the past, terus however while film and projectors were the result of inventions, ada things to do with invention, ya, the cinema as a gitu. Does this make sense? Kalau saya lebih make sense yang C daripada yang A. Lebih bisa nyambung dengan the previous and the following sentence. What do you think?
I agree, Miss. It makes more sense.
Yeah, it does make sense, yeah, more sense. Meta, what do you think? You're like, okay.
I still confused, Miss. Sorry.
Yeah. So coba nanti compare lagi between A and C ya, especially in terms of how to connect words yang muncul di sebelum dan sesudahnya gitu. Kalau saya tadi lebih make sense for having C ya, rather than having the yang A itu dia muncul, dia lagi ngomongin openingnya tahun 1894 gitu kan, terus tahu-tahu kalimat yang setelahnya ngomongin another part ya, ada before 1914 gitu. Itu agak weird sih menurut saya ya. Jadi when we connect this, terus tahu-tahu ngomongin invention after that, nggak nyambung gitu. Kalau yang sih lebih nyambung, ada customers tadi, people, terus ada kata invention, invented gitu ya. Kan coba dilihat lagi ya, because I need you to experience this yourself juga kan. Gitu. Mana yang lebih make sense, and ketika menyambungkan kalimat sebelum dan sesudahnya gitu, mana yang lebih nyambung gitu. Oke ya, nanti coba di review lagi for having this. And I think we're going to start the discussion later after the break. Untuk I will get you to the breakout rooms lagi ya. I will get you to the breakout rooms and having discussions about this point. I will share the link later. Coba, ada nggak ya? Wait a second. Mungkin sudah saya upload. Kayaknya this part. Oke, jadi sebelum saya jadikan satu semua, per skill dulu ya. Tadi 2 sudah this point, and later we are going to have our next ini. Clicking and dragging text. If you have already done the DET practice ya, untuk dragging text itu biasanya belum di drag aja di ini ya, di block gitu ya. Di block automatically itu sudah masuk di kolom jawaban gitu. Jadi kita blok ini ya. The point is that we are finding specific information. Jadi di bagian ini pertanyaannya apa? Get all the vocabularies to the text. To find keywords dulu. Ya, jadi bawa semua kosakatanya ke dalam teks. Once you find this in certain line, stop di situ. Cocokkan dengan soalnya. Kemudian yang keempat, selecting the idea that is expressed in the passage ya. Nanti modelnya seperti ini. Ya. Oke ya. So you have learned about the vocabularies previously. Teksnya sama. Ya, tapi di sini ada pertanyaan yang lebih spesifik ya. When do adult males ini gitu. Seperti ini. Ya. Karena ya yang di bagian ini selecting idea that is expressed in the passage ya, juga modelnya we need to understand quickly every part of the text ya, bisa mungkin difokuskan di first sentence dan the last sentence, yang lainnya bisa you can read parts of the textnya lebih cepat gitu. Okay, to get apa? The idea ya, berarti the idea, find the topic sentence. Jadi secara keseluruhan ini ngomongin tentang apa? And then kalau nggak salah harusnya title yang terakhir. Nah, selecting the best title for the passage. Ya, ini kebanyakan sih modelnya diambil dari TOEFL dan IELTS ya. Itu kan ada pertanyaan what is the purpose, kemudian what is the purpose of the text, kemudian having the title of this. Nah, nanti setelah saya bagi into breakout rooms, ini in each of the parts you can read out these tips dulu. Yeah, so you can discuss this with your partners ya, to talk about specific information yang ada di dalam teks yang ditanyakan. Silahkan didiskusikan, and hopefully we can go more quickly later ya, untuk having the discussions itu. Okay, nah ini when you have experience all parts of skill ya. Nanti if we do have enough time akan saya share biar bisa dikerjakan secara individu. You can experience all of the parts mulai dari missing words sampai selecting the best title. Yeah, so hopefully later when you have discussions you can feel it too. Oh yeah, in this part what do I have to do? Tadi misalnya having confusions in connecting previous and following sentence untuk get one correct sentence ya, itu bagaimana? Gitu. Antara misalnya kalau ini antara ini kayaknya hampir-hampir mirip, so what do I need to do to this? Misalnya cari more words yang bisa lebih nyambung ya antara kalau dengan previous sentence dan following sentence-nya ada dua-duanya bisa dapat gitu. Tadi ada customers, ada people, invented, ada invention gitu ya. Especially kalau itu membingungkan, sometimes tadi ada indikator waktu itu yang bisa kita jadikan. Kok aneh ya tadi ngomongin tahun ini terus ini sebenarnya kontennya agak nyambung, tetapi begitu melihat kok time indicator-nya sometimes help us to identify whether this one is more appropriate or not. Ya, itu kadang tricky ya. Kontennya okay, but time indicator-nya doesn't seem to match previous and following sentence. Gitu. Yeah. So perhaps you will find different keywords yang bisa kita gunakan untuk memilih the best sentence itu. Ya, tentunya kalau tadi kan waktunya jalan terus ya, timernya jalan terus. Tadi ada itu juga distracting ketika we need to read all sentences one by one. Ya, padahal kita cuma butuh satu sentence. We need only one line. Gitu. Ya, which one can misalnya is it possible for you to read out all parts of the sentences mulai dari awal sampai akhir dan waktunya masih gitu ya. Tapi kalau ya masih okay, I find it a bit hard to understand sentence per sentence, mungkin ya kalau kebagian misalnya ada teks yang harder to have karena you know the situations, right? The following questions itu depend on what you did previously. Jadi kalau misalnya you are doing good, berarti when you did good, the following questions will be harder, gitu. Dan ada yang topik-topik yang mungkin makin berat gitu. Ya, we do not expect to have lower level ya kan. Semoga tidak dapat yang makin mudah. Karena kan kalau makin mudah memang kita punya kesempatan untuk mendapatkan nilai yang lebih baik. Tapi kan berarti yang tadinya salah kan, sama aja juga. Jadi yang tadinya salah, ininya lebih gampang ya kalau bisa getting chances untuk nilai yang lebih bagus gitu. Ya, so please experience you yourself. I will see you later in the breakout rooms untuk having discussions with your group ya. Coba, okay. So let me close the breakout rooms. Yes. Okay, yeah. So I hope everyone is ready later for having discussion to the breakout rooms untuk membahas skill 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, I will share you the file directly begitu masuk nanti. Ya, kalau udah ada diskusi, kita quickly discuss each of the questions dan kalian experience yourself untuk mengerjakan semua skills, ya, mengerjakan semua skills mulai dari missing word sampai dengan choosing the best title gitu. Okay, so I'll see you after the break at 8:30. Ya, silakan yang mau sholat or please do drink a lot of water. Ya, I think in after 10 or 15 minutes you need to take something to drink. Ya, we need to stay awake. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you after the break. After the break at 8:30. At 6:30. Sorry, at 6:30. Yeah. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Miss.
Have a nice
Bye.
break.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.